Here at IQ Power Tools, we love designing new innovative power tool solutions, especially tools that make the professional more efficient. We believe the purpose of a good tool is to save you time, make you a better craftsman, and ultimately make you money. Because at the end of the day, that's why we do this. For over 15 years, IQ Power Tools has been designing innovative tool solutions for the masonry, concrete, and hardscape industries. And recently, we've turned our attention to the tile industry. Contractors across the country have been telling us that using traditional wet cutting tile saws creates headaches and a number of problems, especially in sensitive work environments. For example, if you're working on a condo project or office building, your cutting area could be several floors or hundreds of feet from where you're working. Most clients do not want a tile saw set up in their house, kitchen, bathroom, or even the garage. So you're stuck setting up outside, in the yard or driveway, which forces you and your workers to walk back and forth from the work area to the saw every time you need to make a cut. You can easily spend 1 hour each day walking back and forth to the saw. While it's true, sometimes you can set the saw right in your work area, such as with new construction. But think about what it takes to set up that saw. Multiple trips into the work area with the saw, the stand, water trays, water pump, and let alone all your other tools. Then there's the tarps and hanging of plastic to protect the work area for water spray and the potential for spillage. Contractors are telling us that if you can eliminate the problems associated with using traditional wet cutting saws, it could save them 1 to 2 hours every day. Let's run the quick math on that. Let's say you save 1.5 hours labor each day. That's 7.5 hours a week. And at $20 an hour, that's $150 a week. While that sounds great, what kind of saw can eliminate the problems with wet cutting? There's a new innovation being introduced to the tile industry. It's called the iQTS244. It's the world's first dry-cut tile saw with fully integrated vacuum system, filter system, and dust containment. It's a specially designed tile saw that uses zero water. The patent-pending Q-Dry blade creates a clean cut without overheating the blade or the tile. This innovative design combines the features of a professional tile saw with a powerful cyclonic vacuum to create a saw that cuts cleanly and efficiently with no water and no dust. Let's do a quick walkthrough of the setup and features of the iQTS244 so we can see how this saw saves you labor and makes you money. With compact size and built-in wheels, it makes for easy transport. Setup is quick. You can be ready to cut in less than 2 minutes. It makes cuts like a typical tile saw. It has a 24-inch cut capacity and 18 inches on the diagonal. The added laser feature helps you line up your cuts. There's a handy vacuum-only mode, which makes it easy to keep the table clean. But what makes this truly unique is the powerful multi-stage cyclonic vacuum system, which captures over 99.5% of the dust. As you cut, dust and debris is sucked down through the louvers. The dust then travels through the cyclones, which captures the majority of the dust. Only a small amount of dust reaches the filter, which means vacuum flow remains strong and consistent throughout the workday. Here's how you clean the vacuum system at the end of the day or after 500 feet of cutting. Spin the filter 3 times. Remove the tray and empty the dust into a bag. It's that simple, and the filters are even warranted for 1 year. The bottom line is this tool makes you money. What other tool can you say pays for itself in 90 days? And that $150 bucks? Well, you know where that goes.